Hey Jamie, in this one I'm going to show you how you can add your products to your store. So I'm going to just replicate the same car decal that I have up here just so you can see how I did it. First you're just going to go to your products, you're going to click add product, and from here it'll take you to the page that looks just like any other regular page. And the first thing you want to do is title the product. So we did what? Logo card decal. And then I would choose what category it belongs in, and you can see I already updated all your categories for you. So for this one was your business card. And if you want them to be in multiple categories, make sure you click on whichever ones. So anything that's in your car decals, so like your baby on board, your hobby sports, I would make sure you click on this one and this one, so that way if they want to see all the car decals you've done, they can click on that. And if they want specific, just the hobby sports one, they can click there and it'll show up on both ends. The next thing you're going to want to do is go down and add your product tags. So these would be the tags that you, like your keywords basically. So I'm just going to choose all these ones because I've already used them. You can type them in and separate them with a comma, or you can click choose from the most used tags and you can choose whichever tags are relevant to yours. The next thing is your product gallery. This is going to be all of the images for that specific product. So if you have different colors of that product that you want to show, or different versions of the same thing, this is the best place to do it. So to do that, you would just click on it, click upload files. In this case I already have them uploaded, so I'm just going to click, hold down the shift key and click so that way it holds, or so that way it selects more than one at a time, and click add to gallery. Then from there you'll want to set your featured image, and this is going to be the main image that they see on your website. The other images are when they pull up to see the big screen, these other side images will be available for them to look at. So for this, I'm just going to say that this is our main image and set featured image. Okay, now we want to write in our information about this product. So if you have SKU numbers, if you want to use SKU numbers, you would type that in here. And then you're going to want to type in your price. I'm just going to say it's $15. And let's say that this is on sale for $12. Or maybe you want to set this up where it will be on sale, you know, during a certain time. This is where you would set that up. Next, you'll want to hit inventory. Now, if you have lots of these in stock, ready to ship, then go ahead and, you know, click enable stock management, and you would type in how many is available. If they're not, like most of your products, just leave that unchecked. Click in stock, do not allow back orders, and then that should be it. Now shipping, you're going to have to create your own shipping classes, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. Linked products, so if you want to cross-sell or upsell, this is where you would do that. For now I'm just going to leave that blank because I don't really think that it's anything that you really need to be worried about at this point in time, but you can always research it and see what it's all about. Everything else I just leave alone because it's really not relevant. Now to add the different colors and options available, you'll want to scroll up and hit the product add-ons and add a new product add-on. Now let's say this is available in lots of different colors. Well, we're going to want to give them a select box, so we'll say this is going to be the colors. This is the colors that they can choose from, and it's a required field because otherwise you won't know what color they want their vinyl to be. And this is where you would type in the colors available. So we'll say red, and click add if you want to add more. Yellow, blue, and let's say you have a glitter available, but it costs more for you to purchase, so you'd want to make sure that it costs more for them to buy. So if they choose glitter red, it's an upcharge of $2, and this will automatically be added onto their final cart purchase at the end. So we have the colors. Now we also want to figure out what size they want. So here's where they would choose their size. Again, we're going to do a select box, and we're going to make this a required field, and here we're going to put in the sizes, and I don't know, I'm just putting in whatever. You can put in the exact sizes or leave this part blank. Let's say that is $6 extra for that size, and it's $3 extra for this size, and the regular size is a 3x5 and it doesn't cost extra. Now with this particular one, they want to be able to add their logo. So here you're going to have a file upload, so they can upload their file so that it's all taken care of. They don't have to message you. Let's see, upload your logo. We're not going to make it a required field because it's not everybody's going to need to use that. So the next thing we're going to do is make a text area, and this is where we will ask them to give us more information. So let's say oops, that was supposed to go up there. Information.
Are you done?
And that would be that. Okay, so once you have everything you know, situated over here, you're going to want to make sure you have a product short code. So this would be just a brief description about your product. So this is a card decal with your logo. And I just like to make sure that everything's in order. And then you just hit publish and it'll automatically be added to your store.